Panessa. I'm board certified in general surgery and colorectal surgery, and I'm looking to add aesthetics and stem cell to my practice.
So how was your experience with the training?
Oh, excellent. Absolutely excellent. In the beginning of the morning, I have to be honest, I was a little anxious that I wouldn't be able to see or do everything. But it kind of just flows together and you get to partake in everything. Very nice program. Thank you.
And if I pan out a little bit, we can see that you're having a procedure right now. Okay, good. Good. So the fact that you got to, learn some textbook type stuff and then actually have hands-on and have a procedure, how was that? You felt like a good combination?
Absolutely. So I think having the foundation yesterday was key. I took a lot of notes today.
Good.
I was poked fun a lot, but that's okay. And then I actually took a patient from drawing the blood, spinning it down, and then using the PRP and the plasma to do a hair treatment.
Nice.
That was great.
Okay.
Yeah.